Hi, I'm Shelley Vet with ChildCareLand.com, and today I want to share with you bottle cap letters. These are really easy to make, and there's so many different uses you can do with these. You only need to have two things. You just need to have bottle caps. These are plain ordinary water bottle caps. And I think most of the water bottles all have the same type of caps now. So if you put out a call for parents in your newsletter and a note home for water cap bottles, chances are pretty good you're going to get all the same kind, which is definitely what you want to use for this activity. So you want to make sure they're all the same size and height on here. And you need to have letters. You can write these on with a permanent marker. And what I originally was going to do was use my Cricut to cut out vinyl letters and put those on. But then I was in the craft store and I saw that they had letter stickers by the craft book section that were like $1.99. So I thought that would be so much easier than trying to do the vinyl and put all those on. So, you pick up 3 or 4 packs of those, and you can have multiple letters of the alphabet on there, and you just put them on the front of them on there. I have both uppercase and lowercase letters here, and again, there's a variety of things you can do. If you make multiple sets, you can do letter sorting with these, where the children have to group the letters together. You can do letter matching. This will be an uppercase and lowercase example, but they would, put the two together. You wouldn't necessarily work on a tray. This is just to show you the amount of letters that you would have using a full alphabet on here. In upcoming videos, I will have more specific activities of what you can do and some templates that you can use for that on there. Some things you can do are stuff with names, sight words. So I'll be having that available shortly, probably next week. Depending upon my schedule and stuff. But I just wanted you to get some creative juices flowing as to what you could do with these and how easy and inexpensive this is. These are great little manipulatives that children, can pick up and build words on their own if they want. Try to write their own names by finding letters in their names and creating words as well. Kind of a free play kind of an activity. For bottle cap letters, I'm Shelley Vet with ChildCareLand.com, and thanks for watching.